Hello students! Today I want to walk you through how to do the assignments for this week. So let's get started with the Zoom classes. So we will have 3 Zoom classes this week. The first Zoom class is on Tuesday at 10:30 a.m. The second Zoom class is on Wednesday at 3:30 p.m. And the third Zoom class is on Thursday at 10:30 a.m. Okay, so please come to the Zoom classes if you can. Next, let's go over the daily work. So these are things that are in the Google Classroom that you can do every day, like the word of the day, Lexia, and starting this week, we're going to have a listening puzzle every day. So that is our daily work. Our weekly work is a little bit more challenging. That's why it's only due at the end of the week on Friday. So I can even write that here, due on Friday. So that would be the vocabulary game, the reading comprehension, and the listening practice. So let's now go to the Google Classroom to see what this looks like on there. So this is our Google Classroom. So here, if we go down, we can see an example of a word of the day. This day was enumerator. Here we have comments, which say which are example sentences for the word of the day. Excellent. So to see the classwork, we then go up to classwork. All right, classwork. So we have 3 items due this week. We have the vocabulary game, reading comprehension, and the listening practice. So for the vocabulary game, just click the link to learn the vocabulary for the emergency theme. So again, click this link, and what it does is it takes us to the Quizlet page where you can then learn these new words. Like for example, this picture shows us an earthquake maybe. Correct. So here you will click the right word that goes with the picture. Awesome. All right, next, we can go back. Now we have a reading comprehension. So here we read the directions, click the link below, read the article, fill in the blanks, and make a plan. When finished, hit the Turn In button. So we click the link, and we read the directions at the top of the page. So it says, read the text below, then answer the questions. Make your own emergency family plan. So to make it easier for you, what I've done is I've highlighted where you should answer the questions. So for example, where does Ling live? You will have read this, so you will know that Ling lives at this address. So here in the highlighted area, we can write Ling lives in Sacramento. Perfect. and then we've answered that question. So go to these highlighted areas to answer the questions. When you have filled up every area with an answer, go to this Turn In button and click it. You will need to do this 2 times. So you click it first in the document, and then you say Turn In again right here. Perfect. This lets me know that you are finished with the assignment. All right, let's go back. There we go. Okay, so that was the reading comprehension exercise. This is the listening practice emergency theme level 3. So, always read the directions first. Click on the link. Fill out the missing words by listening to the audio files. When finished, hit the Turn In button. So, we click the link, and we read the directions again. What to do in an emergency situation. Listen and fill in the missing words. Choose from the box below. So, these are our words: damage, throw, safe. We will use these words to fill in these missing blanks right here. So, first it says wildfire. Click here to listen. So, I clicked on the link and then I have to click again. So you will click it 2 times in order to pull up the audio file. Alright, when it loads, click this play button right here and go back
What
to
to
the
do
listening.
in an emergency situation. 1. Wildfires. A wildfire is a fire that burns in the forests. It usually happens when the weather is dry for a long time. There are a lot of wildfires in California each year. Never throw away a burning cigarette, and always be careful when you cook outside. When a wildfire gets close to your house, you will need to evacuate.
Alright, so I listened, but as you can see, I did not get all of the words. So I will listen to this again so that I can hear this missing word. So you will repeat this every time by clicking the link and filling in the blanks. Again, I've highlighted them in yellow so that you know where to write. There are 9 listening practices. All right, remember, when you are finished filling in all of these blanks, you go up to the Turn In button up here. You click it the first time on the document, and then you click again when it takes you back to the Google Classroom. Turn In 2 times. Again, this lets me know that you have finished the assignment. Okay, so we have gone over which Zoom classes we have for the week, and we've talked about the daily work that we need to do, and we've talked about the weekly work that is due on Friday. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and let me know if you have any questions. I am here to help. Thank you.